Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto using Changelly to wallet, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer crypto using Changelly to your wallet, first, visit the Changelly website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the exchange section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive in your wallet. Enter the amount you wish to exchange. Look for the crypto wallet address field. Open your wallet application where you will receive the funds. Copy the wallet address for the cryptocurrency you are receiving. Paste the wallet address into the crypto wallet address field on Changelly. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any loss of funds. After confirming the wallet address, click on Exchange or Transfer to proceed. You will be prompted to review the transaction details. Carefully review the exchange rate and transaction fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You may need to verify your identity, depending on the amount and your account settings. Once verified, the transaction will be processed. You will receive a confirmation screen with transaction details. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transaction. Check your wallet to see the funds once the transaction is complete. If you experience any delays, you can check the transaction status on Changelly's website. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred crypto to your wallet using Changelly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.